RSM as a global firm, we've got offices in about 100 countries. So we're huge. And in Australia, we have 1,600 staff and we have 32 offices all over Australia.
We were trying to document our processes and procedures because a lot of that documentation was missing. It was all the knowledge was in the team's head. What was difficult is managing all the screenshots for starters, and then just having to physically type out the different steps. To type it out, take the screenshot, save the screenshot somewhere, and then put it all together in our system. Formatting, different things like that. So all of that's really time consuming, and it could take hours depending on the complexity of the process. But usually it was taking like an hour to hours to complete a knowledge base article. Seconds. It can take seconds to minutes. Yeah, I created one the other day, and it took me about a minute. It's really handy when you want to record something, you click on it. One of the things I really like is that it takes a screenshot of the exact step that you're going through or the exact button that you're clicking on, and it just focuses on that specific thing rather than taking a screenshot of the whole page and then you've got to crop it. And the other thing is it'll automatically, for the step, it'll write down the action that you're taking at that point, click OK. It's saving me so much time. It's something that I don't put off anymore, or like before when we were doing it basically manually, call it manually. It's something that you would put off because it takes so much time, and because you already know it in your head, you just go and do it, and then it's quicker for me to just do it, and I'll worry about the documentation later when I have time. But now with Tango, I can document the process, as I'm doing it very easily. So then, your mindset changes and you stop putting that off and you just get it done.
The barriers that we've had before, sharing information out with the team, but also internally, we always used to jump on a call if we had to explain something to each other. Whereas, like the other day you were asking, I can't remember what it was you asked me, and I just had sent you a quick Tango, Warren.
Yeah.
And it was just that much faster that we didn't have to catch up at all on the matter.
Exactly. Yeah.
We would have spent 15 minutes before having a conversation about it and fluffing around.
Yeah.
People were getting frustrated because the video, you've got to sometimes search through and find exactly what you're looking for and replay it. And we've had I think the customers have come back with a lot less questions since we started using Tango because it's so explicit. And it gives the embedded URLs and everything in there so they can easily click and find the exact page that they're looking for. I know with our clients, it saves us a lot of meeting time. So it's saving them money because we can communicate very effectively. We don't force them to sit in on long, extended training sessions anymore. We have short and sharp sessions with them, and then we give them all the documentation as part of our service. So it works out to be more cost effective for them.